Hello guys, welcome to my Shri Book English. Guys, today I am present include by English. What is English grammar? Kinds of English grammar. What is definition of English grammar? Guys, starting more knowledge, but absolutely what is grammar, what is English grammar, definition, and what is kinds of English grammar. Definition more defended English grammar basis structure. How to speak English, how can speak English, and base kinds of English grammar. But absolutely, I speak now. Let's see go. In this definition, guys, kinds of English grammar. What is grammar definition? English grammar. English grammar definition. English grammar is a science that teach us how to read, write, and speak correctly. Called English grammar is this definition. This famous definition. English grammar is a science that teach us how to read, write and speak correctly called English grammar. अंग्रेजी व्याकरण वह शास्त्र है जिसे शुद्ध शुद्ध पढ़ना, लिखना, बोलना आ जा, उसे ही अंग्रेजी व्याकरण कहा जाता है. तो आपको बोलना क्या है? What is speaking now in this time? But absolutely, guys, you are speaking in the English language. How to learn speaking language? But absolutely, definition, knowledge, and kinds of types of English grammar. So you are very easy. Correctly called English grammar. Correctly called. Correctly and speak, and correctly and read, correctly and teach. You are correct read and correct write. You are listening correct and speaking correct in this similar word. Yani listening, speaking. You are correctly word listening, but absolutely now refer to speaking correct and writing correct in this just time. Sorry, and reading in this correct, this just period in this writings correctly. So both four word, this both connected, reading, writing, listening and speaking. So in this connection you are very easy understood. Grammar importance in your life, not knowledge, and do not never speaking English language. But yes, in this truth word, many person speak now and English grammar, tenses, modals. I am knowledge, but absolutely your knowledge structure based tenses, but I am not speaking English. मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ. तो in this person, this correct speakly, but in your habit practice depended. If you daily by daily practice doing to very easy flattering English speaking. Yes, guys, you are wanted to speak English, but daily by daily practice defended your speaking language. I hope you are is my speaking your knowledge. You are very easily understood. But absolutely, I am very short sentences and very word easy speaking in this time.